unboxing this thing. I hope you smash the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and like that bell. Let's get started. It said on here the flowers are color changing. So I'm excited to see those. There's a lot of cool things in here. There's 2 compartments. We'll start with this one. So first is, I see a shovel, some flowers. Flowers are hard to pick out. That's loud, really loud. And this divider. Get me scissors. Can you get scissors, please? I teared one of these open, so I'm going to tear the other one. Yeah. It should be good. And there's like a seal right there. Let's open this. So now I'm going to pour this one in. Yeah. That looks like kinetic sand. I'm gonna mesh it up with the shovel so it will make it spread. Do I need to put these in? Do I? Oh. There. No, it doesn't work. Where's the little one? Do you guys know where to put the little one? Oh, right here. Now we just got the other one open. I'm going to crush this one up before we take it out. This last one was hard to do it like this. So I'm just going to crush this up. Oh. Please come out, wherever you are. I'm going to first rake it, like mash it up. Yeah, that's hard. Mash it up, just like mashed potatoes. Turn it on. And that in. And now, I might just flatten it out. Actually, let's add the rocks. These are a little hard to add, because I'm just going to put them on the border. Like right here. They're not coming out. Kind of more. It's a little too much. So I'm just going to take those and put them in the spot they're supposed to be. All falling. Please don't fall. Please. Thank you. Spread out, guys. It's not that hard. Please. Spread out. Like you guys can spread out. Right? Yeah. Now that I put on these rocks, that was really hard to put on, took like one eternity. And then now we have to put the sand layer here. I'm gonna put in one first. This. How do you cut these up? Finally got it open. Now I'm gonna throw on the sand. This is not like normal sand. It looks like normal sand. It smells like pickles. I don't know why. And it's stretchy for some reason. Like, look. see if this green one's like that. No. This one smells really bad. I don't. These go in. I added something to make it smell better. It smells a little better. Not that humid anymore. We added both the CM pieces. I just put the rocks in here. Wonder if in the next video we should make little people to like go in it. I'm adding the rocks right now. Pouring them out because the green ones, that didn't turn out good. Okay, I've done that, and now these are really pretty. I really like these. So all you do is just, you have these, they're indivisible, and then these little cup things, you put one in there and push it down. And you can do it with as many as you want. That's what I like about it. So now I'm gonna do this. This is the results. I just finished. And I'm gonna see if I can like add this to like here. I hope you like watching this. I'm gonna put a picture of it all done after the video. Bye!